Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how we can use the Gather-Fold method. So in simple term, Gather-Fold method it is used when number of elements we have and we need to combine element from the stream into single result. Suppose we have 1 to 5 elements in a numbers and I want to sum of all elements. Then we are using Gather-Fold method. Now we can understand using example numbers number stream. Now already stream have and gather gather Gather-Fold inside the fold. So what we do here we use gather inside the gather.fold. It is what it is a combined list of elements and produce one result. So to list I catch this result into another list result. I add one SOP now I run this program and verify value is what. Now here one way problem we correct and run this program and output should be 15. So here fold method combine into one element. So this way we can use the gather.fold